In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access additional settings. Then hit one-handed mode and use the switcher to activate it. It will only work if you have gestures navigation. Now to enter it, just swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen. To go back, click on this dark area, or simply swipe up. Last but not least, to turn off one-handed mode, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.